Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. Today is the day that for the first time ever from Temu, I have a custom for the first time. I've been shopping with Temu about a year, perhaps a bit longer now, and it's really took me a long time to get a custom from them because every custom that I get always comes out rubbish. So I'm hoping Temu has got it right. I'm dead nervous to see whether it is. We'll either have something that looks really pixelated or something that has got all the colours wrong, or it's stretched or distorted in some way or another. But yes, I'm so happy. God provided, he made sure that it came today, and it's perfect because I needed it for today's unboxing. So it does mean that Craft Buddy will be up on Monday. So here we go, guys. It'll either be crap or it'll be really good. Hopefully it looks okay. So this is a family member. It's a picture of my dad when he went to, well, I actually went on this trip to Butlins. Now, looking at it, they're sellotape. So I don't know if customs have opened it or what, but someone has put all tape on this. So I'm just going to get, I haven't got my scissors here, you see. Yeah. Normally if there's, hang on a minute. Okay, guys, so in here, for some apparent reason, we've got a bag in a bag. Sometimes customs will open it if they feel like there's something in there that shouldn't be. It possibly, the reason why they've opened it is possibly because there's another bag inside, so they think, oh, what's going on here, you know? But we'll have to wait and see. So here we go, guys. This is the first thing. Now, some of you might be wondering what this might be. And this is, I love, as you know, pocket watches, clocks, alarm clocks. I've got this obsession with collecting clocks, and I've always struggled. So, for example, this watch here, my lovely khaki watch, that I got from a collection I do, needs a bit of a clean there. But I always struggled to get the back off it. So what I got was this tool, which apparently is it's quite heavy, this, wow. Feels really heavy. You can see the thickness of that. But the idea is that you're supposed to pull it under there. You see there's like a little ridge, and then you pull it under there, and then it pops off. Oh, wow. Look at that. It works. The amount of times I've been jabbing it with like very carefully with like a screwdriver trying to pick the damn thing up. I'm just going to give that another go. So we go under there. And where's the thing? Because each time you put it round, it disappears, but just put it under there. Yay. Oh, that's brilliant. I'm glad that works. I just have to remember that it's not a pen and it's not a screwdriver, because it's got that little curve on it. So yeah, so that's brilliant. Fantastic. I'm loving that. Excellent. So I can now change all my batteries on that. Now we're getting closer and closer to inside this custom here. So in here we have, can I just say, the weather today is absolutely beautiful. So pretty. Very warm as well. It's really nice. So, oh, I don't think that is it. Oh my God, if that's it, I'm not going to be happy because, I don't know. Could it be that one? Oh man, I'm so nervous about this. Oh my God. I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous. Oh my God, it's looking really good. Can you see his legs? Oh my God, please say it's okay. Oh wow. Oh my God, I think it is. I'm super excited. Oh wow. Okay, I'm getting excited now. Now, you know I said I wanted some new trays. They are doing packs of these trays for, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a pack for, I think it was like £1. I'm getting so sick of the sight of keep seeing green trays. I really wanted to get something different because all we ever get is bloody green, sometimes white, but I really wanted to change a colour, and I got some of these. I forever need trays. A few months ago I was trying to get rid of trays, but the more projects I take on, the more I need trays, the more I need to kit up. So I will kit up anywhere between 7 to 8 paintings at a time and then just rotate them with filming. And I thought I'll get these, which are blue ones, which are really nice. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for that for £1. We're going to save the best till last. The next thing that we've got here is, I love cows. So I had to get this. And I can't remember if I got this previously because It looks similar to one that I've got with a cow lining sunflowers, but I can't remember. That's the thing with Temu, is that you can't remember what you bought and what you haven't bought. But I used to use the Gems Flow app. Why do they do this? Seriously, I can't get it out. It's stuck. Oh wow. Yeah, I used to use the Gems Flow app, and then like I just can't be asked to keep like spending time putting all like cataloguing it and stuff. So I gave up with it. If I've got it, then I can always do it again or give it to a friend or something. But this is, look at this beautiful cow. She's just sitting there in her lovely bed of sunflowers here, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It is a 20x20. As you can see, absolutely fabulous, and 15 colours on the Shemetic, people. So this looks really, really nice. We've got our standard boat again, people, and we've also got these lovely bag of drills. So let's get into this. With this custom, it's going to be quite tricky to do because my dad watches my channel. So he's going to see the uncustom. So I don't know whether to give it as a Father's Day gift or what, because if he sees it, it's not going to be pointless. It is good. Yeah, it'd be pointless doing it, isn't it? But I don't know. It's a hard one. What do we do, people? That's the trouble when like you're buying gifts on Temu. Like you want to show your viewers what these gifts are and what you buy, but then you've got to try and disguise it from your family so that it don't spoil the present. So it's going to be a hard one to do this. But as you can see in here, we have got our orange, our brown, another orange, a light brown. Oh, sorry, yeah, lighter brown. Sort of butterscotchy almond colour there. We've got ourselves a black, a sort of army green colour there, a yellow, a purple, brown, an orange, a red, a yellow, no, sorry. This is like a beige colour and a brown white. Oh, my heart's going like a million miles per hour at the moment because I'm super excited about this. Now, guys, this is the custom. That's my dad standing on the, it's like a hotel, the Ocean Hotel, and they've got like a place called the Kaleidoscope Restaurant. So already I can see that the face is pixelated. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but look, the detail on the other bit is pretty nice. So, oh dear. Okay, so what do we do? Obviously with me, I didn't want to go too big because I didn't want to pay out loads if it's going to turn out rubbish. But yeah, we got a bit of disappointment going on here. So they've done a fabulous job, and I've tried to stay away. A lot of my friends say to stay away from dark colours, blacks, anything busy going on in the background. It's all to do with colours. If it's too dark, it's going to look shit. So, yeah, it's moment of truth time, guys. Oh dear, here we go. Right, wow, yeah, look at that. Okay, so that's turned out pretty nice. I mean, they've got that spot on. The colours are exceptional in this. The only problem is that the detail of the figure is perfect. You know, you can see most of the detail. The only problem is that his face is pixelated. I don't know how we can do that. It's not going to have the detail there. The other problem is the hands, that, as you can see, they look like they've just been microwaved in an oven or something, or sandwiched. So yeah, okay, so we've done a test run. I am disappointed that you can't see the face, but the problem is if we do drill that, it's gonna look pixelated. So there's a couple of things I can do with this. I can put two like black eyes to make it look like a black eye in there. But other than that, that's a pretty close match to that, isn't it? I mean, I've tried my best to do this. But yeah, a couple of things. It did take a while to ship because obviously someone has to sit there and design it. But I think it looks pretty good apart from the two bits here. I think obviously with all customs, I'm always going to struggle with trying to get the face and the details. I can't get my money back because obviously it's a personalised item. So it's not like if there was a problem with this one, I could return it. I can't do that with the customs. So what do we think, people? Do you think it looks okay? Do you think it looks rubbish? I think it's between 50 and 50. They've done a cracking job on you know, the colours and that, but it's just turned out a little bit pixelated. So this is what sort of makes me reluctant on getting more customs. It's really took me a long time, but I am impressed with Temu. This is my first ever custom one from them. It's just a shame that it's such a careful balance, because if you zoom the photo, if you pull the photo up too much, it's going to stretch it. If you zoom it up too much, you're not going to get detail. If you do it too far away, it's, you know, but yeah, I don't know. I'll still probably do it and see how it turns out, because obviously I paid for it. But now I've got a rough idea as to how their customs look. Perhaps a 30x30 should have done it. I don't know, but let me know. So this is the hard part now, is how do I film it without him seeing it? So, yeah, I think this is good. I think what I'm going to do is... It's so hard, isn't it? Like, do I film it or do I... Because if I film it and whip and chat it, he's going to see it. I mean, he's going to see it anyway with the unboxing, but the plan of action was to give it to him for Father's Day, and I don't think that's going to work now, because obviously you would have seen it. But, yeah, I don't know, people, but I am impressed. I think they've done a good job. Obviously, that there is supposed to be, as you can see, that's like a hotel thing there with a tent. But we're quite away from the camp. The pavilion is behind this tree, and then over here you've got like you might see the fairground there. That pink bit is the fairground with the horses that go around that. You know, that horse galloping ride thing. You've got dodgems over there, and then you've got like this rope walking activity thing, where you walk on a harness and ropes. But I think it's turned out pretty good, you know. So I need to experiment. I could do the same image and then stretch it a little bit further into a 30x30, but the detail has not come out on the face, and that's one thing I'm disappointed with. It's such a shame, but it is still a good image. So yeah, I think I will do it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do the face. I mean, show him anyway. And then we can explore other customs and see if they come out, you know, okay and well. So in here we have ourselves instead of wax, we do have a wax, but a tray, and then we've got them lovely colours. I love getting these ones with the Ziploc bags. Where in the world, why have we got a purple drill? Where the hell's purple in here? Purple? Number 3. Where's number 3 on it? Okay, this is weird. I've been giving a number 3. Where the hell's a number 3 on here then? There isn't a number 3 on the schematic. I've been given a bag of number 3. Where's the number 3? I don't see any... Paula, we need your help here. There is no number 3 on here, and I've been given a bag of number 3. I can't see any 3 on this canvas. Oh my god, it's down there. Oh my days, like, are you for real? Like, a whole bag of purple for that? Where is there purple in here? Like, oh man, that's taking the mick. 50, they've given us a whole bag, like, of purple jewels. You can see it's coming up to there a bit. But there's, like, hardly no... Oh, well, 550 is a good colour. And then we've got, like, all the different colours in there. I don't open these ones to show because it takes forever to put them all back in. But as you can see, they're the colours we're working with. So, I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board on this. I'm still going to do it. It's a fabulous design. But obviously, I do need to try and target the colours with trying to get the face to come out with detail. I've got it spot on because the painting before this was a little bit too dark. And I really thought, when I did this, I thought the tree might have struggled a bit. Because when you're doing a custom, you need to work on light colours. If it's too dark and there's so much darkness in it, it's going to turn out rubbish. I think this is the closest one I've got to looking like 100% perfect. The only thing I would knock in here is that it's just the hands. I mean, the hands are not that bad, is it? I mean, but because at the time he was putting his hands in his pocket, as you can see, and then the face is sort of like just distorted a tiny bit, but you know, I think that's good. So that gives you an idea of what the customs look like with Temu. That's how unboxing. So once again, we've got this, we've got that, we've got the cow. And we also have, wasn't there, yeah, the trays, and then obviously this watch removal tool thing. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I've now decided that I will be doing more customs, because I'm very impressed with that. As I say, although there's like a lot of detail, when something bugs me, I keep talking over and over and over about the same thing. It's just a habit. So yeah, now I know what they look like. I'm probably going to experiment with more customs. Perhaps next time I'll get a bigger one and stretch it a bit more, because I was going to do one of Timmy as well, the little tortoise that we've got. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. That's an agonising week's wait come with a brilliant canvas. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and always tap that notification bell so that you can be notified as and when a video pops up on the channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.